people understand some very big events in the solar system. So I'll wander back and see if I can reset this. So for those of you who came late, I'll do it again. This time, set the sky to midnight. This is a real surface of Mars, and I will start it. And note, it is loud. Here we go. So I don't do all these exhibits myself. I have a team from the Exploratorium. I designed this one, so I'm the main designer. But I have specialists who work with me that are great at creating particle effects and scripting very complex interactions. And so it's great to work in a team. Okay, so that's Martian impact.
I'll have to come back and do that one again. That's cool.
That's right. Just touch that green ball, and it will run. And then after a few minutes, it resets, and you can run it again. But now, I'm going to take you to site number 4. We went to this very large exhibit here. But site number 4 is actually a recreation of the Big Bang. And when we get there, I'm going to have you sit down on a giant cluster of galaxies and ride them out from the Big Bang. It's also loud. So this is number 4. So see you there.
Everybody got it?
Everybody okay? This giant megaprim with that image. And now when I start the exhibit, the sky is going to go black. So I'll wait, give people time to arrive. Okay, so what's going to happen here is I'm going to click the green ball, and the ball in front of me right here will start to pulsate. When it does that, I'll say sit, and then sit on the ball. And then you'll be launched outward into space, and each of you will be riding a galaxy cluster. And notice what happens.
Which ball?
Also note that I portray portray light waves coming out from the galaxy cluster.
Do we need to wait to sit,
So,
or?
yeah, don't sit yet. So stand up, and if everyone's here,
Think so? We're ready.
okay.
How are we supposed to
Go ahead and sit. So I've taken control of your camera. Come back together. Oh, did you notice that each of you was the center of the universe? And that's the way it really is. And when I do this, even with physics majors, they are shocked to find out that they're the center of the universe. And they're more shocked when they find out that's the way it really is. Indeed, you are God. So, also the particles that are coming out from you represent the light coming off of that cluster of galaxies. And the light is Doppler shifted. It's pinched together in front of you as you move, and it's stretched out behind. And that's what really happens. We call that the red shift or the blue shift of light coming from galaxies. And it allows us to find the motion of those galaxies. Want to do it again?
Sure.
Okay, let's try it one more time.
I'm not going to move the camera this time.
Okay, time to sit.
Is it possible to have two people on the same one?
So interesting.
We are one. We are one mind. Me galaxy, you galaxy.
The force is with you.
Ski, you missed the big launch of the universe.
Yeah, I thought I was sitting on it somehow.
Okay, questions or comments so far?
That was fun. I love that one.
That's one of my favorites. And like Kirkwood's comment, anybody at the birth of the universe has to shout "we." So actually I'm going to go to another one, and this one is number 6, Brownian. So we're going to go from the entire universe down to a single atom. So let's go to number 6.